afternoon. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Yes, my name is Joby Linsangan Moreno and
I'm Lawrence G. Moreno.
Hi, and of course, I'd like to welcome you to the Podium Studios, your very first creative studios in Nueva Ecija. Aside from being a photo studio, a video shoot studio, pwede din po siyang for rehearsals, for workshop, for exhibit. Yan, so pwede din siya for small meetings, small conferences. So conducive po siya for any type of event. Small events this time kasi po mas formal ang Podium Special Events Center siya. Goal natin is to really, kumbaga, i-promote din ang mga talents ng local Nova Ecijanos and Cabanatueños. So that's why we invite all of you to please come and visit us at the Podium Special Events Center here at the Podium Studios para po makita din ang kagalingan ng ating fellow Cabanatueños and Nova Ecijanos. And again, imagine the possibilities. It's not just your ordinary studio. And of course, amenities po natin, we have two studios, it's Studio A and Studio B. So, meron po tayong partition dito na pwede po natin hatian. If you have a small shoot or a small show that you're going to do, pwede po yun. So, hahati po siya into 30 square meters. And then, kung gusto niyo po mas malaki, plus 60, 30 and 70 square meters, pwede din po siyang both. So, just like our ballrooms downstairs. So I hope that you be part of our Podium Studios at maraming salamat po ngayon pa lamang po sa ating mga fellow Cabanatueños and Nova Ecijanos because this is ours and of course kung wala po kayong ating mga partner suppliers and clients, wala din po kami. So we hope that you come and experience something new here at the Podium Studios.